magbiyahe, kaya naman in Tour and Travel, let's go! Kaya naman, Company History Sarap Magbiyahe SMB Travel and Tour. Established in 2011, start as a small home-based agency and quickly grew into a full-fledged DOT accredited one-stop travel field. Known for airlines ticketing local and international tour packages and corporate travel, becoming a major wholesaler for airlines like Cebu Pacific and Philippines Airlines. Recognized for its innovative approach and success story in the Philippines travel industry. History and growth. 2011, founded as a home-based agency initially focusing on online Asian tour packages. 2012, rapid growth led to opening a physical office, transitioning into a comprehensive travel consulting firm for corporate and leisure clients. Expansion grew to serve private companies, government offices, and individual earning DOT accreditation and membership in industry group like membership and industrial group like NAITAS and PhilToa.
Mabuhay everyone! So ngayon naman pag-uusapan natin ang service and specialization ng SMB o Sarap Magbiyahe Tour and Travel Agency. SMB is known for offering complete and hassle-free travel service. It became an authorized airline ticketing agent for major airlines such as Philippines Airlines and AirAsia, and later in recognition as a top wholesaler for Cebu Pacific and SkyJet. The company also specializes in Asia and Philippines tour package, helping travelers explore the destination with well-planned and affordable option. Beyond bookings, SMB provides travel consulting, sharing destination insight, travel tips, and customized itineraries. To make travel easier, it also offers hotel reservation, ground transfer, travel insurance, and visa assistance, giving clients a true one-stop travel experience. For recognition, because of its dedication, growth, and innovative approach, Sarap Magbiyahe gained recognition in the media. It was featured in a platform such as Interviewer magazine and GMA7. Highlighting its success as a growing travel agency, the company was also awarded as one of the top domestic and international tour providers in Metro Manila. Proof of the trust and support it earned from client and travel industry.
Success history. Sarap Mag-Travel Tour and Travels, established in 2011. Grew from home-based agency to a DOH accredited, multi-awarded provider, becoming a top Asian, Philippine tour wholesaler and airline agent. Their success include being named Best Domestic and International Tour Provider by Golden Globe Awards and Top Affordable Provider by National Customers' Choice Awards. Pioneering innovative travel solutions like pocket Wi-Fi rental and expanding with multiple offices.
Sarap Magbiyahe, travel tours, and the industry. Current trends focus on value pack, curated group tours like Europe, Asia, Balkans, catering to Filipinos with all-inclusive packages like flights, hotel, and meals, exploring less crowded alternative destinations, delivering mobile booking, and offering personalized services like visa assistance and corporate travel solutions, all while emphasizing unique, Instagrammable, and transformative experiences. Current trends and strategies. First, niche and team group tours. Strategy, SMB offers specific curated trips like Balkans, cherry blossom in Japan, and Africa Safari, with all Filipino groups for comfort and camaraderie. Trend, demand for unique, culturally immersive, and visually appealing Instagrammable trips. Second, alternative destinations, moving beyond Tokyo, Boracay, to places like Nagoya, Sikihor, Siargao, and San Vicente. Trend, seeking affordable, less crowded, and authentic experiences, often driven by Gen Z's desire for unique content. And the third one is mobile focus. Utilizing social media like Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, or any social media account for promotion and booking inquiries. Trend is high value of mobile bookings is of booking and information access is crucial.
And the fourth one of current trends and strategy is all-inclusive and value pack. The strategy is offering bundle service like flights, hotels, meals, tours, and transport for convenience and perceived value. And the trend is Filipinos want hassle-free budget-friendly yet comprehensive travel deals. The second is experience and transformative travel. The strategy is designing itineraries that offer emotional connections. For example, cultural, immersion, and nature hikes. And the trend is traveler seeks meaningful journey, not just sightseeing. Next is corporate and business travel. The strategy is acts as a travel consultant offering solutions for companies. And the trend is small and medium business are growing and need efficient travel partners. And the last one is personalized service. The strategy is the visa assistant travel insurance, Wi-Fi dedicated travel specialists, and the trend is demand for end-to-end support and expert advice.
For key development is first bullet, post-pandemic boom, renewed interest in travel, especially group travel for Filipinos. Next is technology integration, increased reliance on digital platforms for booking and marketing. Lastly, focus on value and authenticity, balancing affordability with unique and enriching experience.
Kaya naman, book na!